Okay, let's look at the next one. That's the way, I like it, That's the way, I like it, I'm doing this for the recording. I think it'll record it if I put it as a presentation, these problems. Okay, so there's the answer. K minus 8.1, the difference of K and 8.1 means subtraction, is greater than 24. Make sure there's no line under there. It's not greater than or equal to. Okay. Oh, that one has the answer. You're supposed to graph that, but I don't know why I had the answer there. But do you guys see if you graph it, Z is less than 12.5. So you have 12.5, and then less than is everything in this direction. Okay? So I'll move on. Okay, solve the inequality. Let's go ahead and do this together. Solve the inequality. Does anyone know how to do this? We're on the same one. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Let me switch it over. Okay, K minus 8.1 is less. No, that's there's the. Okay, this is Z is less than 12.5. You all can see it. Boom, it's less than 12.5. It looks like that. Now this solved the inequality. Negative 2 is greater than negative 5x minus 2 greater than or equal to negative. Can you see this on the board though now? Or is it presenting? Okay. Did I write that right? Okay. You guys, let's see. I'm going to start this for you guys. I'm going to here so you can see me presenting here. So look at this is so weird because I have, it's like it's equal to 2 equations. If I was to write this with equal signs, it would look like this. Negative 2 is equal to negative 5x minus 2 is equal to I mean, if I was solving it, it's like I have an equal over here and equal over here. It's like I have 2 equals. But that's impossible. I can't equal 2 numbers. But if I was to solve this, let's balance this out. Now to solve for x, let's just look at this by itself. To solve for x, what number am I going to get rid of first? What do you think, Edgar? 2. Yeah, negative. Yeah. Well, I know that's what you meant, but I just want to make sure you, the difference between the positive and the negative, I just wanted to make sure you knew it, and I know you know it. So, Natalia, what would I get rid of first in this? Right here, the negative 5x or the negative 2. Which number would I get rid of first, the negative 5 or the negative 2, Natalia?
The negative 5.
Actually, you want to get rid of what's furthest away from the x.
Oh, the negative 2.
And how do I do that?
You add.
You add 2. Always get rid of the addition before the multiplication. Remember, if it's such, it's negative 5 times x. This is multiplication. This is multiplication. I know I said it a ton of times, but negative 5 times x, negative 5x is negative 5 times x. But because I have an equal over here and a number over here, I want to add 2 on both sides. Okay, so you add 2 on. This is how you solve it. You guys, make sure you write it down so you can. You guys write it down? Write it down, because that way you'll be ready for the test, trust me. You write it down. And so negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And then you bring this here. This goes away, so it's negative 5x less than or equal to negative 17 plus 2 is negative 15. But see, I got rid of the 2. I added 2 on both sides. Okay, now, how do I get rid of that negative 5? What do you think, Danny? How do I get rid of the negative 5? No. I'm going to say, what's the 5, negative 5 doing to the x? That's Edgar. Yes. Yes. How do I get rid of the negative 5, Olivia? Negative 5. Olivia, how do I get rid of the negative 5? Olivia going once. Did she say she was going somewhere? Olivia going twice. Okay, Olivia, I'm marking you absent unless you answer me. Okay.
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Olivia, how do I get rid of the negative 5?
You add 5?
What's the negative 5 doing to the x? I tell you guys this like a million times. It's not, this is not negative 5. This is not
It's
negative 5 plus
multiplying.
x. It's not negative 5 plus x. Or negative 5
Multiplying?
minus x. What's it doing, Olivia?
It's multiplying.
Yeah, so what's opposite multiplication?
Division.
So I'm going to divide by negative 5. Now I've got to divide by negative 5 over here and divide by negative 5 over here. And then you guys write the final answer on your pear deck. Write the final answer on your pear deck. I am going to open Windows for the first time all you. Fresh air. I don't think it's too cold. I can close it right back up. You have good answers? On a full blast. Tell you something that I when you flip the sign, smart move. Awesome. That's right. All right, I'm looking at your answers. On the pear deck, let's look at them together. Pear deck, actually, I'll look at your pear deck answers. Am I presenting? No. Oh, do I have any answers? Okay. Okay. All right. There's going to be 3 answers. Okay. Octavio, good. Octavio, can I tell you something? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You're dividing by a negative, right?
Yes.
What does that mean we do to the sign?
Oh. Add a negative.
No. You
Oh.
flip it. Remember? Or no?
To which one?
Both of them. I'll show you. I don't see a lot of correct answers here, guys, so I'm going to show you the answer. I'll show you what I mean by Octavio. You're almost right. You just got to flip the sign. Right? Divide by negative 5, right, Octavio? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah, you do. Okay, so 0 divided, you got this right. 0 divided by negative 5 is what, Octavio?
0.
Because I divided by a negative, I want to flip the sign that way.
Oh.
Anytime you divide or multiply by a negative, on both sides you flip the sign. And then this one I'm going to flip this way, and this will be positive 3. So you guys got to make sure you get those signs there. So that's the answer. Devin, are you there? Devin Solis. Devin Solis. Devin going once. Devin going twice. Devin, I'm marking you absent. Okay, am I presenting? I'm presenting. Let's take a look at the answers on the Pear Deck. Pear Deck time, Pear Deck time, Pear Deck time. Okay, so boom, there's your answer right there. So hopefully you got that. All right, moving on. Is unit pair part of the system? Okay, so is this part of our answer? Yes or no? Is this part of the system? Now, there's a couple ways we can solve this, but all I have to do is plug in 1 for x and 2 for 3 for y, and then see if it works out. So let's see here. I have here 8x minus 2y equals 2. And then I have 2x plus y equals 5. This is a yes or no question. Is 1, 3 part of the system? So I'm going to come back here so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So what do you think? Yes or no? I guess it's a 50-50 chance. If you don't know, you can guess, I guess, right? But remember, this is my x. This is my y. So I can write down 8 instead of x minus 2 instead of y equals 2. What do I put here for my x? Danny, what do I put here for my x?
1.
Yes, 1. And what do I put for my, I don't know who said that. Who said that? Very good. Who said that?
Oh, I did. David.
Oh, David. What do I put for my y, David?
3.
Very good. And you see if it works. And then this one, Danny, I'm asking you now. 2x plus y equals, Danny, what do I put here, Danny? For my x? Yeah, the 1. What do I put for my y? 3. Now, let's solve it out. What's 8 times 1? What's -2 times 3? 8 minus 6, does that equal 2? Yes, it does. So it works on that point. See if it works on that point. If it does, then you get a yes. If it doesn't, you get a no. That means you have a line that goes through the points 1, 3. What do you think, Noel? Noel going once. Noel going twice.
My bad. What did you say?
Oh, what do you think of this problem here? Do you think it's a yes or a no?
The one on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I wake you?
Nah.
Okay, that's good. You are correct. It is a yes. Why do you say that?
I don't know, I guess.
Oh, good guess. He was right. Noel, what's 2 times 1?
2.
Plus 3. What's 2 plus 3, Noel?
5.
Does 5 equal 5?
Yeah.
Yes, it is on both of those points. You guys are good. All right, let's do another one, shall we? You guys good? So you see how we saw, just plug it in both. If they both equal, you know it's yes, right? It's that point is on the line. Okay, let's look at another one, shall we? I'm presenting and my entire screen. Is anyone learning anything? You guys learn anything today? You guys are new to this stuff. All right. But I'm not wasting your time, am I, though? Sorta. It's okay. If you get it, you get it. That's a yes. Okay. So if I say negative 6x plus 2y equals 8, what should this new top equation look like? So multiply it all by negative 6 and see what you get, okay? What should that top equation look like? I'm going to clean my board off. You guys ever watch Star Wars? Yeah, absolutely, you can. The first written ones? With Luke Skywalker and Han Solo? Yeah. Those are the best. I am bored. Huh? I am bored. Oh, those are my favorite though. But I understand if you're bored. They're not as action-packed as movies nowadays, you know. Do you like the old Marvel movies? Yeah. Yeah, those have a lot more action in them. Look how dirty my board is. Yeah. Like a project. So much dirt. I gotta keep washing it. But I'm just gonna wash that for now to make it clean. All right, I'm looking at your answers on the Pear Deck. What verse? Yeah, good. Did you get the answer on there, Edgar? Yeah. Figure out what you got. 6 times x plus 2y equals 8. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what you got. You wrote it out. There's a negative 12y. And it's an equals. I think that this typo, right? The equals? Yeah, the equal was typo. Yeah. But remember the negatives. Or was the negative a typo too? Let's see what you guys got. Huh? I think okay. Negative 6x. I can't tell. Oh, that looks like, I think this one's correct. This needs to be negative. Is that, oh, I think that's negative. I can't tell if that 48 is negative. This is right. Negative 6x minus 12y equals negative 48. That is correct. Negative 6x minus 12. This, oh, don't forget this 48 should be negative 2. And negative 6x minus 12. This one's correct. Negative 6x. This should be a negative. Make sure the negative 12 is negative. Everything's right except the 12 needs to be negative there. 6 minus 12y. 28. No. This one's almost right too. You guys are close. You probably would get this right in multiple choice. But anyway, so this would be, just multiply times everything. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Make sure the 6 is negative. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12y equals negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. That's it. No problem. Kind of okay work. A little bit, some of you got that all right. Let's see. Who do I have marked absent? Okay, let's keep going. Next one. Okay. Is this a linear or a exponential graph? Yeah. What do you think, Devin? Is this linear or exponential? Devin! Devin, where are you? I have you marked absent, just so you know, Devin. Devin, I have you marked Absent. You think Devin will read that, anyone? Let's see. I gotta call on someone. What do you think, Angelina Rodriguez? Let's get back to it. Can you see it, Angelina?
The one on your board.
Huh?
The one on your board.
The one that I'm presenting here.
It's very
Huh?
little.
Can you pin it?
There you go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think, Angelina? Is that linear or exponential?
Linear.
Very good. It is. It's a line, linear. Okay, let's move on. Thank you, Angelina. It's linear. Okay. So this is a weird question. If this was an equation, and is it going to represent time? Time is an input. So is it X or Y? Usually when we see as time, will it be the X variable or the Y variable? What do you think, Danny? When I say this, Danny, off the tech, man, we're doing math. Okay, we have here Y equals AB raised to the X power. Which one of those represent, what letter always, when we have time in the variable, if we're measuring time, which of these variables, like say it's time, like you invest your money, after how many years will it be $1 million, right? One, yes. Which one of these represents time? Y, A, B, or X? It's either usually Y or X. Crystal Magallanes, which one represents time usually? Or all the time, if we have time?
X.
Yeah, X. X always represents time. There you go. That's the input. The X is the independent variable. Time is independent. Do you guys ever wonder, did time always exist? You guys ever think about that?
I wonder how people knew what time it was. Maybe people made a thought.
How did time get here? Do they measure time? Did they measure time the same in a different country 1,000 years ago?
But the thing is, how did the people making the time know what time it was?
Yeah, how did they measure it? Or anything, any measurement. How do they know an inch was an inch? Someone just made it up. And they all agreed.
They didn't make a wheel for right.
How did they know to make 24 hours in a day, right? Is that what you're saying, Edgar? Why is there not 25 hours in a day? Why is there 24?
Because so when they're making the clock, how did they know what exact time it was? Or
Yeah.
did they just put a random time?
That's what I know. I'm agreeing with you, I think, because time is measured for how long we spend a day in, right? How did they know, like when they did the clock, if you do 24 hours a day, that's why my clock goes up to 12, because you do it twice in 24 hours. What if it was 25 hours in a day? Then that would be 13 and a half. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. I think I know what you mean. I think we're... Yeah, exactly. I don't know.
And how did they get the minutes, the seconds, and the numbers?
Yeah, where's the minutes and seconds?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Who made them?
Where did everything come from? Do you ever think about that?
A lot.
The dinosaurs.
Just
No, but what happened before the dinosaurs?
keep the wall.
What? The wall?
The dinosaurs blew up.
Huh?
They technically actually.
No, but what happened? What was here before the dinosaurs? What was here before Earth? You ever think about that? What?
Earth was just water.
Yeah, Earth like so much.
No, but before that.
It was just a big
You ever think
ball
of-
of water.
But before that. Where did it start?
How did we use so much water to create that?
Yeah.
The space just randomly take it.
Yeah, where did the water come from?
That's it.
Where did space come from?
Where did space, does space ever end? How could it not end? How could space not end?
They say it doesn't end.
But how could it not end? Does everything, something have to end?
But the numbers never end.
Huh?
You know how?
Forever? Think about forever. I don't know. I just think about that kind of stuff. That's
you know how
crazy.
you know how we make the graph? And when we make the graph, you know when we say it's greater than? It
Yeah.
never ends, right?
Yeah.
It's the same way.
Crystal, what was before Adam and Eve, though? Think about that. I don't know.
It came before God.
I don't know, another God.
I know it came before
Nothing. IDK. I don't know. I always wonder about that stuff. You know, they talk about the Big Bang Theory. Everything started. You guys ever hear the Big Bang Theory?
Yeah.
Everything started and then it just blew up.
the creating that.
Oh, yeah, because Earth was just one big land and then it split into different parts. That's how we have countries.
Do you think that big land existed, always existed, since the, like, or, you know what I mean? Where did it come from?
Were we the first people to be in this earth?
Are we the only ones around?
No,
I read there's 7 billion people on Earth.
Did there only used to be,
There only used to be like 2.
there only used to be 2?
That is
how do we not dropping the earth right now?
All right. There could have been millions of Big Bangs and like millions of Earths. Millions of Big Bangs.
Yeah,
That's deep, Angelina.
yeah, what if every single, like a certain year of another big bang comes and destroys that population? That's how they destroy the earth. I mean, the dinosaurs. So we're next.
Well, I think we would see something coming, but we can only see so far. Who knows? If someone made a spaceship and you can go into space and you would be gone like for 5 years, it'd feel like 5 years to you. You go into space for 5 years and then you come back another 5 years. So you're gone for 10 years.
In the middle of nowhere.
But when you come back, 1,000 years has passed on Earth. Would you do it?
Yeah.
Would you do it? You'd be able to see whatever, like you'd see the space for 10 years.
So like you're saying that if you want
Or like freeze yourself.
Well, what happens is, it's called I believe, the theory of relativity. The faster you go,
The slower time goes.
the
I mean, there's
The slower time goes for you, but time goes faster for everyone else. Like if you approach the speed of light. So you'll be gone for 10 years, and then you'll come back and 1,000 years has passed on Earth.
But imagine just floating in the middle of nowhere.
I don't know how long you've been in space, but there's no time.
Well, you'd have a clock
Yeah.
on your spaceship.
There's not.
Actually.
Well, they put one on. You just have a clock keeping track of time, a computer keeping track of time. Unless that breaks, then you won't know.
But imagine how careful they need to be. The spaceships usually.
I'm just saying, would you do it though? They said, hey,
I did.
you'd be back in at that. All your parents would be gone.
Hey, Sanchez.
Yeah, what's up, Noel?
Can we go?
Oh, sorry. No, I got to do math. I was just doing philosophical discussions. But thanks for keeping us on track, Noel. Okay.
Well, what if an accident happens and it kills everyone in the population and it's just you and someone else with it?
Well, hopefully it's a female, right?
Yeah.
Then you just have to start repopulating, I guess. Is that inappropriate to say? You want the humankind to go. Where was I? Sorry, Noel. Noel, I'm sorry. We just have a couple more to do here. See, this is linear time. Okay, which number is the multiplier here? Which number is the multiplier? Write down the number. Which one's a multiplier, guys? What is the multiplier? You have two numbers. One of them is the multiplier.
Are we technically off, man? Who started it?
Well, it depends.
Right? Like,
Yes, Dave.
Four.
Yes, Rosa Balderas. There has to be, whether you believe in Adam or Eve or not, there has to be a first person and a first woman and a first man. If you think of evolution, I don't know, maybe you have, unless people evolved at different times at different, I don't know. All right,
what if we ever get
the answer is, wait, hang on, the answer is 4. Because 4 is the multiplier, because 4 to the x, it's 4 times 4 times 4. 4 is the multiplier. Make sure you remember that. What's the multiplier there, Danny? Do you see the problem we're looking at?
Yeah.
What's the multiplier? Yes. Okay, 4 is the multiplier. Okay, here's the last thing we're going to do, and I'll let you go. No, I'll let you go after this one. Wait, what time did class start? 10:08? We haven't even been here for an hour.
we're just talking about the
I know, I love it. Write an equation for the function below. You guys write an equation for the function below. I feel like I should do this on the board. You guys write the equation.
what if we ever get a chance to do time travel? But at the
Is
same
it
time,
time travel or is it-
the whole now,
yeah.
not in it. But what if time travel becomes an actual thing? But at the same time, you can't change nothing or else you get the butterfly effect. You know what that is?
Hold on. Like, we can do-
Yeah, but think of it. You know, if we get time travel, when we go back to the past, we can't change nothing. Or if we go to the future, we can't change nothing.
Yeah, you can.
No, because then it makes a whole butterfly effect.
Well, you could then.
It makes a butterfly effect, meaning it'll change everything in the past and it'll destroy all the time and.
Well, you could do it, you just destroy everything for you, right?
Yeah, you could do it, you'll just destroy everything though. Because they're saying that if we do that and the whole butterfly effect will make multiple dimensions of our world.
That's just a theory. All right, then. Is that true? If you change all of time? I don't know, maybe.
Have we even-
Okay. I'm checking out your answers here on the pair deck. See if anyone has any responses here. No responses. Let's go here for a little bit. Can you guys see my board? Okay. So let's look at these points. Notice this is 2, 4. So this would be 1. This is 1, -2. So this point here is I go -3 up 1. This one I go -1, -2, and this goes up 2, -2 up 2. We've got to write an equation for this. This is -1, 4. This is 0, 8, and 1, 16. What do you notice here? Let's write this as a table. X, Y. -3, 1. -2, 2. -1, 4. 0, 8, 1, 16. How am I increasing? Hey, how am I increasing this way, guys?
You're increasing by 2.
What do you mean by 2?
You're multiplying by 2.
Yes. Crystal Magallanes, how am I increasing here?
By 2.
What do you mean 2? Crystal, speak up. Let me turn my volume up here. I don't know if it's me. Yeah, my volume. You gotta speak up. My volume's all the way up, Crystal.
We're increasing by 2?
Yeah, but how 2? Are we subtracting 2? Are we adding 2? Are we dividing by 2?
Adding by 2?
Well, 1 plus 2 would be 3. 2 plus 2 would be 4. 4 plus 2 would be 6. I'm not adding 2.
Multiplying by 2.
Multiplying. Thank you, Rosa. I am multiplying by 2. Remember that? So we want to write an equation for this. Now, now remember we have here y equals, because I'm multiplying, I'm going to use this equation here. Y equals ab to the x. The multiply by 2 is my multiplier. That would go there. My 0, which is 8, that goes in the a. So write down the equation based on that. Write down the equation based on that. Yes, Octavio, your hand. You have a question, Octavio?
Yes. I missed the answer for which one is time.
It's x.
Okay.
X
Thank
is
you.
always time. Yes.
They're saying that theoretically it's possible to time travel some past, but we have to go faster. We have to be traveling faster than the speed of light, such as cosmos, strings, wormholes.
Yes. You got to go the speed of light. You ever seen that? Well, okay.
Faster than the speed of light.
Let me see your answers. I'm checking out your answers. Let's see. Answers. Here we go. Doot. Okay, let's see what you guys got here. Okay, it has to be ab to the x. Oh, there we go. Y equals 8 times 2 raised to the x power. I don't know who did that. That's very good. 8 times 2. Make sure you put the x on the top here. There you go. This is right. 8 times 2 raised to the x. There you go. I got 3 answers there. But anyway, you guys need to make sure you know how to do that for the test. So anyway, here's the answer. Remember, the a is wherever the 0 is. That's the a. 8. The b is the multiplier. I'm multiplying by 2. And yes, so that's the answer. Y equals 8 times 2 to the x. Okay, I think, should we stop there? I know you guys want to finish. Some of you want to finish. Noel, you want to finish, right? Real quick, is that linear or exponential? And then this will be the last one. This is the last one. Is that linear or exponential?
Exponential?
There you go. Who was that, Rosa, that said that?
No, it was me, Italia.
Natalia, very good. That's exponential. Okay, we're done. All right, so well, remember the test is on Thursday, and that is that. Are there any questions? All right, I love you guys. You did great. I'm going to update my grade book hopefully by the end of today, and you'll see what your final grade is and see what you need to get on the final. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, Sensei. Have a great day.
Thank you, Rosa. Bye, Angelina Rodriguez.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, Crystal. Bye, Antonio. If you need me to see something, you talk to me after class. David Guzman, you talk to me after class. Olivia. Bye, Olivia. Bye, Leitali. Bye, Crystal. All right. Devin. Is Devin faking being here? Devin.
I was just going to say I'm here.
Dude, I marked you absent. I was calling on you for like 10 minutes.
Sorry, I was probably in the restroom.
The restroom? There's something I need to know? Pretend I'm like your doctor. No, don't even tell me. I'm joking. Devin.
Yes.
Devin. Did I wake you up?
No.
Devin, if you can go in a spaceship for 10 years and explore the depths of space and go to different planets and stuff, but when you come back, it'd be 1,000 years later on Earth, would you do it?
No.
Me neither. Let's see. Devin, I'm marking you here. Let me know if you're going to the restroom next time, okay?
All right. Thank you.
I'll see you. All right, who's next?
Oh, I have a question. Were we not supposed to do the module 7 test?
No, we're not doing the module 7 test.
Okay.
'Cause I was going to, but we're running out of time with the final, so I decided to just put a lot of module 7 questions in the final.
Oh, okay. All right. Have a nice day.
All right, you too. What's up, Octavio?
I was about to ask the same thing. Are we supposed to do the module 7 test?
No, I just last minute, dude, we don't have enough time for this. We're doing the final on Thursday, so that's that.
Okay, goodbye.
All right, see ya. Elias Ortega.
Hi. We're supposed to do the module 7 test.
Did you hear what I was saying to them? We're not gonna do. I put it in the final.
Okay.
So.
And have you graded work? Have you graded work yet?
No, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get that done today.
Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, I'll see you.